an error to my ways, which is to your benefit. The next step in this process is to fade out the video to make it fade to black. And you'll see here that as I play the end of this with the audio fade as we go, at the very end we're going to have a video fade. It's already built into the video clip that I have here right now. Okay, so I can't really show you on this one what to do the next step, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that and just bring in a new video clip, the next one, which is Rocky right there. And I'll just kind of go through the process really quickly again. We have that unlink. I delete this. I've already got some music I'm going to add over here. Oops, I just popped it up there. I'm going to come to the end of the music here, sync that in, and over here we'll add our keyframes. I'll just do it right there. I need to click on the actual audio clip, add one keyframe, move over, add another, take that second ending keyframe, and I'll click and drag that down and make an audio fade. And up here is the next step. So what we're going to do is make sure that you click on the video right here. So it's not clicked down here. This has a white box around the audio. We need to click up here so there's a white box around the video. We come to the end, and this is the easy version of it. We're going to get more detailed into how to do transitions later, but I'm going to click on the end right there so that you see that red line right at the end. Then I'm going to right click, and you'll see here the only option that's available is apply default transitions. And then right there you will have what's called a crossfade that just automatically fades to black. And when we get to the end here, I'm going to go ahead and that's how you fade to black out. Now there's only one thing left to do, and that is to add credits. So we have Essential Graphics here. That's one way to go, and I'll see if I could find something. If you kind of go down to the bottom, you could find something that may work, such as this Angled Presents. We just want something to be able to add words in. If you do not see Essential Graphics, and by the way, I think on the newest Premiere Pro, instead of Essential Graphics, it says Graphic Titles, but still it's going to be under Windows. I have Essential Graphics clicked on right there. I'm going to get rid of my Essential Sound. Essential Graphics, I guess that won't go away. And click over here, and I'm going to go ahead and take that Presents and just put that right at the end here, at the very end. You could actually technically, I suppose, put it on the same layer as that video right there. And we're going to go in and change the words here. I just double clicked on it. We need to say what the clip is. In this case, it's Rocky. And then the name of my sound, it's right here is Every Night of the, and then actually let me show you, you could actually just change the view of this. Oh, where's the view? There we go. Every Night of the Week is the name of it. And I'm gonna come over here and stretches out by Everett Almond right there. So you can also get that from, you know, when you download it from studio.youtube. But the first thing I'm gonna do is video clip from Rocky, and then music let's do a colon. Every Night of the Week by, I'll go down to the next line, Everett Almond. You have to tell me who it's by, okay? And then we just kind of end it like that. We'll see how long this is. It goes video clip from Rocky, music Every Night of the Week by Everett Almond. Oh, I misspelled it, which I always tell you not to do. So that's fixed. And then the last thing you need to do, make sure you save it. So I'm going to save it. I'll call that Rocky. And then finally, I'll go export media, file, export media. And then over here, make sure the location where it's going to be saved to is set to someplace where you could find it. So you could click on that. And if you get a smaller box, you might want to click on this down arrow right here. And you could choose your documents, downloads. I'm just going to do desktop. And this, it started out as Guardians of the Galaxy, so I have to resave it as Rocky. And then I'll replace that. MP4, go into the desktop. Make sure the format right there is H.264. If you're having a hard time with that, check in with me. Come down to the bottom right-hand corner, and click on export. Then you will upload that. Oh, please choose a different name. Okay. I will just end the video here, but I will help you with that. The other thing, by the way, you can send it to the Media Encoder, and that works really nicely as well.